I'm Megan Williams from Murimari Aboriginal Health Unit and my colleague Melissa Haswell-Elkins, and we're here to talk a little bit about some of the work we do. We've been established about 10 years and have specialised in creating safe spaces for students, particularly at postgraduate level, and we've recently been awarded the Vice-Chancellor's Award for student engagement. And we also have a couple of research streams, particularly about young people's social and emotional wellbeing, and another specialty in post-prison release care, but particularly researching Aboriginal-led protocols and processes too.
Yeah, so we focus a lot on sort of social emotional well-being, empowerment, those things that help young people or even older people make fundamental changes in their lives. And oftentimes we do work that helps us understand healing and helps people to understand why things in their lives are the way they are. And once they start to recognize that, amazing changes actually happen among people. So as Megan said, we do this in different settings, particularly youth programs, in prison settings, and drug and alcohol rehab areas. But we find very much the same very interesting process of sort of coming to recognize oneself and one's identity and moving forward in that. We also have an interest in environment and the ways in which the environment, or changes in the environment, are impacting on people's well-being and mental health in particular. It's an area of great importance now, and increasingly with some of the pressures on the environment and the changes with climate change. And Aboriginal people are particularly vulnerable to those changes because of their close relationship with land, and also living in areas where they're at particular risk. So we have interests across that area, with probably the biggest theme being sort of empowerment, gaining a voice, gaining recognition, and actually becoming part of changes that are really important to people.
Our other developing area of expertise is evaluation and Aboriginal leadership in evaluation. We've been trialling our own framework for evaluation that there's great interest in, so this is a really great potential area for an ILP student to work with an Aboriginal community organisation and work across with a toolkit and evaluate some aspect of service delivery. So that means it's learning from an engagement and a close relationship with Aboriginal people, but also learning a set of research skills as well. So we're very excited about that.